I'm put on the spot. I didn't know I was competing today.
Here's your question, Valerie Howard West from Ifugao.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, I think what makes up a great woman is the same thing that makes up a great man, and especially a great title holder. It's taking up a responsibility not just for yourself on stage, but also the province and the people you represent. For me, I was the first representative of Ifugao, and I took that as an immense responsibility. The hashtag Ifugao Warrior went viral during my term, and I think that's at the heart of my people and something I tried to embody during every step of my journey. So what makes a great woman, a great man, a great representative is having the courage and the leadership to step up on stage and be a true representative of your people.
Wow. Give it up for Valerie Howard West.
Another purpose.
The pride of Ifugao. And speaking of pride, let's have our next contestant. The pride of Santa Mesa, Manila.
Oh, Nikki got out of me asking it that too.
Napansin mo pala. Anyway, Santa Mesa, Manila, I love what you're wearing. Can you tell us the history, the story behind it?
Ang history po ng costume ko ngayon is from the Bobo tribe po, from Mindanao. And gawa din po siya ni Sir Gio.
Wow. Okay.
Bobo tribe in Mindanao.
Very nice.
That's good. So, are you ready to answer the question?
Ready?
Ready na siya. What makes a great man?
Being a great man, alam ko, isa lang ang kailangan natin na salita, being a great man. Ito ay isang respeto. Respeto sa sarili, respeto sa bawat isa. Simula ng pagkabata, ito ang tinuro sa akin ng aking mga magulang. Hanggang sa aking pagtanda, dala-dala ko yun. Lalo-lalo na sa ating mga kapatid natin na LGBTQ, na kailangan tanggapin natin sila ng buo at walang anything na makakadlang para pumasok sa ating mga kababayan. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat sa the best Manila.
Up next, we'll call up Maren Duque.
I see that there are a lot of candidates who are proud of their culture and the place that they are representing. Like your brothers, please tell us the story behind what you are wearing tonight.
Actually, I'm from Marinduque, so yung costume ko dapat is Oriental talaga. Yung mask, so ito, invitation lang siya, Oriental, so yeah.
Very nice. Okay, Maren Duque. I think you've heard the question by now. What makes you a great man?
Para sa akin, ang pagiging isang great man is yung pagiging isang mabuting tao kahit walang nakakita sa kanya. At higit sa lahat, ang pagiging isang dakila ay yung pag-angat sa iba, hindi lang sa iyo sa kanya. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Maren Duque.
Up next we have Mr. Oriental Mindoro.
Hindi pa.
I think Negros.
Negros.
I do apologize for that. Up next we have Negros Oriental.
No, I think, Nikki, you're trying to make sure they're paying attention. Very good, guys. We know you're very good. Yeah. Negros Oriental. You're wearing something quite different than the rest of our candidates, I've noticed. So maybe what's the inspiration or how does this relate to where you're from?
So, I would like to thank my designer, Joseph Tumapa, for my barong today. Thank you.
Okay. Now, Mr. Negros Oriental, what makes up a great man?
As a great man of the universe, Philippines, I embody the values the Independence Day represents. Freedom, courage, unity, and love for our nation. Independence Day reminds us the sacrifices made by our heroes to give us the freedom we enjoy today. Winning this title would allow me to promote patriotism, empower communities, and encourage the next generation to value and protect the freedom that our forefathers fought for. I am committed to being a leader who represents the best of the Filipino spirit. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Well said. Thank you so much for that speech. And now we move on to our next candidate.
Occidental Mindoro. The much awaited.
Ayan na. Ayan na siya. Much waited. Hello, Occidental Mindoro.
Hello, good evening.
How are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling great and so grateful because to my supporters, to my family, my friends, and to the people who always believe in me.
Very nice. You know, all of our candidates, it takes a village to get here. You see the candidate on stage, but it really takes an entire team. So thank you for thanking all those people that got you here. Okay.
So, your question is, just like the other questions, of course, hindi naman nababago. What it takes to be a great man.
At a very young age, I experienced the weight of a man's work fishing. Not by choice, but by responsibility. It wasn't a childhood I dreamed of, but it taught me so much strength. I may have started at the sea, but I am not drowned by struggle. I chose to rise, and tonight, I stand here, proof that no dream is too far for someone who never gave up. And I believe through my stories and experiences, I can say that it makes me shape to be a great man. So to everyone listening here tonight, I just want to say that never underestimate what one opportunity can do. Because everything, never underestimate what one opportunity can do. Because it might be the beginning of the life you always pray for. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Well said, never underestimate an opportunity. Of course, when an opportunity knocks on your door, you answer. Kasi sayang din naman, diba? So,
Yes.
let us move
And
on to
when one door closes,
the other door open.
ayan,
Together,
we finish each other's sentences. Okay.
So, let us move on to the next candidate.
Davao City. Okay. Hello, Davao City.
Hello.
Okay, how are you feeling at the moment?
I'm feeling a little bit nervous right now.
It's okay. I think everyone is nervous. This is one of the most nerve-wracking parts of competition, but it's also your chance to share your story. So, Mr. Davao City, what makes up a great man?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As a basketball athlete, my education, I use sports as the bridge of my education. To be a great man, I inspire others to pursue sports, value education, and also to live a healthy lifestyle. Because a good body builds a good mind and a better future. And thank you.
Thank you so much, Davao City.
Thank you so much. Actually, napaka-important na talaga ng physical health because it also affects your mental health. You cannot be mentally healthy if you are not physically healthy. Diba na kompleto po?
Best pa rin yung ex ko last time
And
taga-Davao.
our next candidate is...
Iba, Zambales.
O, diba? Nakaka-ilang siya.
Diba, Iba?
Diba? Okay, here we go. Are you ready for your question?
Yes po.
Yes po.
Born ready?
Yes.
Born ready. Ayan, I like that energy.
So the question is, what does it take to be a great man?
Good evening everyone. Naniniwala po ako na
masusunod na gawin ng Anak ng Universe Philippines. Dahil ngayong gabi ay dala ko ang tunay na spirito ng Zambales. Isang katatagahan kasing tatag ng bundok ng Mount Pinatubo at isang pusong kasing tamis ng ating pinagmamalaking mangga pagdating sa pagmamalasakit. Nais kong gamitin ang platapormang ito upang ipaalala sa mga kabataan, lalo na sa probinsya, na ang kahirapan at distansya ay hindi hadlang sa ating mga pangarap. Ang totoong Rainman ay parang baybayin ng Zambales at handa silang mamunin ang kagalakiyang alon ng buhay ng may respeto, integridad at katapatan. Maging malaya tayo sa alon ng buhay, hindi lang para sa ating mga pangarap, kundi sa mga pangarap ng ating bayan na kailanman ay hindi magpapalupit. Thank you.
Thank you, Boss Zambales. Alright, and now for our last but not least candidates, Mr. Kalinga, my fellow Brazilian. So, I have a question for you, Mr. Kalinga. As the last candidate, every portion of competition, how do you deal with the pressure of waiting to be last every single time?
Is this the question or just
This is just for fun, not graded.
being
You
the
want to
last?
answer the question, Ine?
And so being the last may be the farthest from them all, but it's an advantage because I can prepare ahead.
I like it. Alright, thank you for being game to answer my extra question.
Sure, of course.
Alright, the real question now. What makes a great man?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, my other co-candidates spoke with a speech like a minute or two, but I'm not going to make it difficult for you guys. Being a great man should be sincere, because tonight I'm wearing a native attire from Kalinga, which shows sincere appearance, because this has been a clothing from our ancestors before. And tonight, I carry the spirit of Kalinga and the pride of every Filipino, with resilience, compassionate, courageous, mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kalinga.
At mabuhay din sa'yo, ang proud Filipino.
Yes!